review. So this is what they sent me in the mail. It comes just like you see here in the package. It's a small box, the S9 wireless lavalier microphone. So right now I'm talking to you just on my iPhone with no microphone whatsoever, just straight through the microphone on the camera itself. So this is how it comes. Real simple kit. Let's take a look at it. The instructions are pretty straightforward and simple and real easy. So what's in the kit? So you get 2 lavalier microphones, you get 2 clips, you get the receiver, and you get a USB-C charger. So this is for USB-C phone, if you have one, or any USB-C device actually in your Mac, anything at all, it'll pretty much work. It's pretty much plug and play technology. So I'll just show you how the microphones come. They come with this little windscreen on top here. They do not come with dead cats, just so you know. These do pull off. And you can just keep these. I would suggest just keeping these on. It's very important. Also, the little clips. These little clips are simple to install. They just slide up right here. Slide them to the left, slide them to the right, depending on which placement you want this to go. So that's easy enough how that works. So that's easy. They came charged, so ready to go out of the box. And here's 2 of them here. So I'll show you how they just slide on. You can see the clip here, right? So clip this way, or the clip can go the other way. So either way, however you want to put the clip on, it works. Just that simple, okay? And here is the actual receiver. Now the receiver has also a USB-C charger in the back here, so you can plug this into your phone and also keep it charged at the same time so you don't run out of power. That's a really good a good feature as well. USB-C cable. All right, so let's just plug this into my phone, and I want you to hear how it sounds. Okay, so right now I have it actually hooked up to my lapel right under my shirt, roughly about 4 inches away from my voice. Here is the second one right here. And these are just plug and play. As soon as you turn them on, they do connect. The power buttons on the back right here. So you're actually hearing me right now talking to you on this lapel microphone. This one is off. I don't want to turn this one on yet. To turn on, all you do is hit the power. They already have built-in noise cancellation. You cannot control that. It's always on. That's made good or bad, however you want to do it. Doesn't really matter. I think it still works. It still works fine. You be the judge on the sound. How does it sound to you? You get a little bit more definitive voice. You get more control. You can be far away. They charge pretty quickly and they last quite a few hours. So no issues with that whatsoever. I'm going to turn this one on and just show you. So when you turn it on, see, power's on and then turns green. So this one is also activated now. So you'll hear this one. You can hear that one. And also you can hear me talking on my voice. So that's both microphones working at the same time. Just like that. Super easy, super simple. Let me just shut this off. All you do is hold the power button down, shuts it off. Really easy. Again, it does come with the USB-C cable. You just plug it right in here, charge it up, good to go. Real simple, and it does work quite well. So how does it sound to you? You guys be the judge. Definitely highly recommend this if you're looking for something inexpensive on a budget. This is definitely the way to go. Definitely highly recommend this for budgeting, starting out. You get to do 2 interviews, 2 different people. You can do podcasting with this. You can do all kinds of different things, just like you're hearing on my voice. Plug it into your Mac, plug it into your anything USB-C pretty much device. Doesn't really matter. You can use a laptop, MacBook. It doesn't really matter. Tablets, iPads, makes no difference. It's going to work fine, perfectly. And that's quick and easy, super, super simple, and super efficient. So that's what I have for you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for sending me this item. I think it's fantastic. What do you guys think? You be the judge. You're hearing it. You decide. Thanks for watching. See you at the next video.